Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm laughing. You guys, it's been so long. I have not recorded a video for all of 2018 and I cannot believe it. This is my first video on this channel for the year and it is December 29. I am so sorry. Surprisingly, people have still been subscribing during my absence, so welcome to this channel. I'm Mel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and those who are subscribed this whole time, thank you for sticking around. So naturally, this video is going to be an update video on what's been happening. I guess kind of explain my absence a little bit, but not really. So first of all, I resigned my job back in September, and I'm no longer living in Jamaica. I moved to the US and I got married, and I'm now living in the Midwest with my husband. So a little quick life update for you guys. I know that most of the content on my channel was basically based around brand Jamaica. Like I used a lot of Jamaican hair products in my hair. I don't have access to those anymore, well, not easily, so I have reverted to more drugstore hair care, and I'll be focusing more on drugstore and more easily available stuff on my channel from here on out. So yes, I don't even know. I guess my hair. So this is what my hair looks like right now. And I guess it doesn't look too bad on camera, but like guys, it's seriously a mess. A mess. So I washed and straightened it to record this video. Like 2 days ago. I've been trying to record this video for 2 days, by the way. So this is what it looks like. So I don't remember where my hair was last video I made, but I did manage to make it to mid-back length, and that was a personal goal of mine, to reach mid-back length for my wedding. However, my hair has been breaking like crazy, like, and not even just my hair breaking, but my scalp. You guys know I have like scalp issues, but it's like it's on crack now. It's crazy how, like, I wash my hair Friday, by Sunday my scalp, it's over it. So I have to be learning my hair all over again, especially in this new climate. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold, and I just have to be learning new techniques and stuff. I'm gonna be honest, I have not been taking care of my hair. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm discouraged, or just, to be honest, I just can't be bothered. Like, people run down long hair, but it's work to take care of longer hair. I kind of never missed a wash day when I had like shoulder length hair, armpit length hair. Never missed a wash day. Now it's like a chore, you guys. So I'm gonna be working on getting my hair back in a healthy state. You can probably see my ends are like super thin. I really need to get a trim soon. I don't know how that's gonna work because where I'm at, let's just say there aren't a lot of ethnic hair care salons around here. I'm thinking about asking Damien to trim my hair for me, but he has expressed to me that when I go natural, he wants to be the one to chop my hair off. So I'm not quite confident with him with scissors in my hair, so we'll see. But my hair has been breaking like crazy. Like olive hair. Like, God forbid if I go outside and the wind catch me, I look like I haven't combed my hair in like weeks because of all the breakage that's around my hair. So I'm gonna try to show you what my hair looks like from behind. I should have probably worn a lighter colored shirt. I'm such a newbie. I'm sorry if this video is echoey, guys. We're in a new apartment and we haven't quite filled out the room yet, and I'm sorry if this angle is weird. As you can see, I don't have my regular backdrop situation going on because during the move, I don't know where all my stuff went. Like, I have the backdrops and stuff, but half of my backdrop stand is missing. I have my tripod case, but not my tripod, so you're like propped up on like the game of life. So I'm so sorry. This whole situation is a mess. I'm probably gonna have to start over with getting back more equipment and stuff, but yeah, just bear with me. Gonna try to show you what my hair looks like. So this is it from the side. And let me turn it around. So that is my little update, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. If I have enough, I might do a question and answer video. Yeah, leave some questions for a question and answer video, and I'll be sure to get that up for you guys soon. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to up my hair care game, go back to the basics, and hopefully nourish this mane back to life. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.